I admit I am a food addict. I admit I am a food addict. I choose to let go of this addiction on the chin. I choose to let go of this addiction. I choose to let go of this addiction. I choose to let go of this addiction. I have a craving on the collarbone. I have a craving to eat this food. I have a strong craving to eat this food. I have a strong craving to eat this food. I'm eating to run away from my pain under your arm. I'm eating to run away from my pain. 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 On the thumb, I'm eating to get acknowledged. I'm eating to get acknowledged. I'm eating to get acknowledged. First finger, I'm eating to feel happy. 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 Next finger, I'm eating to fill up some empty space. I'm eating to fill up some empty space. I'm eating to fill up some empty space. I'm eating to comfort myself, little finger. I'm eating to comfort myself. I'm eating to comfort myself. I'm eating to comfort myself. And karate chop. I choose to let go of this craving. 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 Deep breath. Two times deep breath. Feel the vibrations in your body. Your whole body is vibrating right now. We've worked on a lot of issues together in one tapping round. Feel what is happening in your body, the sensation, some kind of numbness or pain or something in your body. Make a mental note of it and please share. Sometimes different pains and aches in the body come up when we are tapping.
Ma'am, I just feel heaviness in my eyes. That's it.
Okay. Anybody else?
Yeah, I'm also feeling in my eyes and head, and I'm feeling my heart is beating very fast.
Heart is beating very fast. Mansi, anything
Yeah.
for you?
Just a bit of headache.
Okay, Arshi?
Same headache here, just a little bit, but here, right in the
Just
center.
from the eyes.
Right. So we don't question why headache and why whatever sensation is there, whatever sensation is there. Let's tap for that because feelings are in the form of they are energy only. So they sometimes move in the form of body sensations. So we'll just push them out from our systems. So let's now simply tap for this. We'll do this. Whatever you're feeling, this headache, this pain, this whatever, जो भी आपका है वही बोलना है, वो फीलिंग बोलना है, ठीक है? This pain, this palpitation, whatever is there, say that. This pain, this heaviness है तो heaviness बोलना है, pain नहीं बोलना.
This heaviness.
This heaviness, 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 this heaviness.
Feeling palpitation. Pain on the eyelids.
This heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness. On your chin, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness. Collarbone, this heaviness, 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 this heaviness. Okay, under your arm, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness, this heaviness. Okay, we stop here. अगर आपकी heaviness या pain चली गई है, तो next point से जो आ गया है वो बोलना है. Okay, is it still there or it's gone?
Ma'am, it's gone.
Little bit.
Eyes.
Headache is better, but the pain behind the eyes is still there.
Okay, so you shift to the pain behind eyes, and अगर जिसका कम हो गया उसको बोलना है remaining heaviness. ठीक है? So
क्या बोल?
आपका heaviness है ना, तो आपको नहीं. You have to say
Eyes.
pain behind eyes. Yeah. And Karan will say remaining heaviness. You said there is some heaviness left, right? तो अपना अपना ही बोलना है. Yeah. Remaining thumb. Remaining heaviness, remaining heaviness, remaining heaviness, or pain. You're tapping on the first finger, middle finger, little finger. And karate chop. This heaviness, 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 this heaviness. Take a deep breath. Okay, wonderful. I think काफी releasing हो रही है इस समय पे. और
Yeah.
anything you want to share? For me also, I just felt there was some stiffness on my shoulders as I'm tapping along with you, and I'm feeling much better on my shoulders. So, anything to share? ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ेंगे हम.
Yeah, feeling much better.
Great, wonderful. Okay, Mansi, you want to say something?
My head's feeling much better.
Better.
Much better.
Yeah, Karan. Close your eyes and scan your body, because ultimately this is a session of not only learning but tapping along and getting rid of your addictions. We are all doing it together. This is not like for one person. It's not like a teacher teaching something. We are all doing it together, right? So of course you can do it later also, since you will learn it, but right now we have to make a difference to our own selves, to our own lives, right? Okay, Arushi, anything for you?
No, nothing. I just feel light.
Generally feeling light. So this is the side effect कि जो problem जब नहीं भी हुई होती, and when you feel light and happy, you just wonder कि पहले क्या था, मतलब जिसको हम problem देख भी नहीं रहे थे, because we are used to living with that pain and heaviness in our bodies most of the time, when we just keep changing food habits and this and that, कि दाल खाने से हो गया, चावल खाने से हो गया. बट आप देखोगे जब आप बहुत खुश होते हो तो आपको कोई दाल चावल से स्वेलिंग और कुछ वाटर रिटेंशन नहीं होती. ये मैंने खुद पर्सनली देखा है बहुत बारी. और अदरवाइज जनरली ऐसे किसी भी छोटी सी चीज से लगता है कि ये हो गया, इस फूड से हो गया, उस फूड से हो गया. सो इट इज अ लॉट टू डू विद द हेड्स, विद द माइंड. इट इज मोर देन 90% हियर, एंड बाकी सब चीजें बाकी. सो
There's a slight feeling of constriction in the throat coming up.
ओके,
Some
अच्छा ठीक है. तो लेट्स ऑल टैप. बाकियों को क्योंकि कुछ नहीं हो रहा, सो वी विल टैप फॉर अनीता आंटी, क्योंकि आप लोग बाकी सब छोटे हो उनसे, सो आई एम सेइंग आंटी. सो विल टैप ऑन ओनली अ कपल ऑफ पॉइंट्स, राइट? हम थोड़े से पॉइंट्स पे करेंगे. कंस्ट्रिक्शन इन द थ्रोट. सो वी कैन डू अ शॉर्टकट आल्सो. विल जस्ट डू हियर. वी आर नॉट डूइंग इवन दो एंड एवरीथिंग. विल जस्ट डू constriction in the throat. You will all say constriction in the throat only. Okay, Karan, Arvi सब बोलेंगे. Constriction in the throat. Close your eyes and do it. Constriction in the throat. Constriction in the throat. Constriction in the throat. Side of eyebrow. Constriction in the throat. 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 Under eye. Constriction in the throat. Okay, अगर आप आगे चले हो तो आगे कर लो, कोई बात नहीं. Constriction in the throat. Under nose. On the chin. Constriction in the throat. Constriction in the throat. Constriction in the throat. Constriction in the throat. Collarbone, constriction in the throat. Come to the thumb point, constriction in the throat, constriction in the throat, constriction in the throat. And from thumb, you can come directly to the karate chop. And you can do the karate chop like this also. Constriction in the throat, constriction in the throat, constriction in the throat, constriction in the throat. Okay, deep breath. Okay,
It's better now.
it's better now. Anything shifts for you, Karan?
I have,
Hmm.
yes, ma'am, I'm feeling good. Ma'am, I have a question.
Hmm.
So we can skip the filling of the sandwich also, what you taught
We can,
yesterday.
yeah, we can.
can.
पर शुरू में एक दो बारी करनी है ताकि हमारा सिस्टम एकदम तैयार हो जाए. You know, you have those scooters where एक बारी आपको किक लगानी होती है, फिर उसके बाद चाबी से स्टार्ट होते रहता है. You get it? तो एक बारी आपको उसको सब कुछ करना है. You have to start here. We are starting here, and then filling in everything to it. And फिर अगले सेशंस में आप उसको सीधा कर सकते हो.
Perfect.
Okay.
And I like the pineapple on the best.
I like the cracker the most.
ठीक है? So
That's too good.
okay, I hope the session is getting recorded and I can send the link to you. I think कल मैं सारी recordings जो आपने पिछले sessions भी किए हैं जो मुझे available होंगी, I'll share the link. So now, what else? What else is the feeling? Otherwise, we'll tap on the guilt, because when you have the food and after that, having the food, you have that guilty feeling. So your association with food has to be normal. If you associate food with the positive memory or with the memory where you miss someone and then you want to have it, you end up having more food. If you associate food with you eat food when you have painful memories, then also you don't know how much you're eating, because again it is mindless eating. And if you just look at the food, you know, अगर आप रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाओ, देखो सब कुछ, कई बार कुछ लोग ऐसे खा रहे होते हैं जैसे कि किसी को मार के खा रहे हैं, इतनी बुरी तरह से. यू नो, दे आर ईटिंग जल्दी जल्दी रोटी तोड़ के ऐसे, इतनी, आपने देखा होगा कई बार वो इतनी गंदी तरह खा रहे होते हैं, आधी आधी रोटी वो खा लेते हैं एक बाइट में. यू नो, सो दैट इज एसोसिएशन विद द फूड, की कोई छीन ना ले. Sometimes it's not like about this that they are poor or anything. मे भी पता नहीं किसी लाइफ से कोई मेमोरी आ रही होती होगी, एंड मे यू वांट टू फिल योर बॉडी विद फूड, इससे पहले कोई छीन ले मैं खा लूं, तो आपको नहीं पता. एंड यू आर ईटिंग माइंडलेस आल्सो. इफ यू आर वेरी एंग्री, यू आर सैड, देन यू ईट मोर फूड. यू नो, इफ यू आर ईटिंग इट, तो आप माइंडलेस खाते हो, तो वो भी आपको प्रॉब्लम लेके आता है. तो योर एसोसिएशन विद फूड हैज टू बी वेरी गुड. आपका रिलेशनशिप विद फूड हैज टू बी वेरी गुड. So jab when you
sorry to interrupt. This happened with me 2-3 times, not now but many years back when I was upset. So I was just eating the food like जैसे आपने बोला ना, बिल्कुल वैसे ही. That time my daughter was very small, so I didn't know what to do. So the food was in front of me and I was crying and I was just eating like the way you said. Actually I did it.
Because anger is at someone else. दिल तो करता है कि उसका गला दबा दूं, उसको मार दूं, you know, but you can't do that because maybe that person is your parent or your mother-in-law or someone. तो आप सारा गुस्सा फूड में निकालते हो. ठीक है. So this is very very normal and we've all been through that journey, you know. And then now at this stage we remember it is not about those people जिनसे हम उस समय डरते थे, हमें लगता था उनका हुआ है वो मार देंगे, वो बहुत हमारे लिए, you know, they are very dominating or suppressing and all of that. Now we know it is about us, how we take the situation and how we handle it. It is not to blame others, but yeah, अभी आपके एज में आपके लिए आपको ऐसे ही समझ में आएगा. You know, you're angry at your mother-in-law, you really want to do this to her, and आप वो रोटी के साथ कर रहे होते हो, right? So you have to deal with your emotions. तभी पुराने भी लोग बोलते थे कि when you're angry, don't eat your food. You know, पहले settle your anger, then sit down to eat. तो वो
Can I also ask a question?
Yes,
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, sure.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
just wanted to know that, like you said just now about people eating in the restaurant and all that.
Yeah.
Is it possible that sometimes some of these issues of ours could be coming from a past life where we starved to death or we were denied food or something, and some memory of that has remained? Because
Definitely.
sometimes, logically we feel that, okay, I have worked on myself, I have tried to change my habits, and then, reflect, sometimes it just comes up again. So is that sort of a possibility also
100%.
could be there?
We cannot rule it out. It is very much possible it is coming from the past life. And also to tell you that you don't have to go to the regression session to get this issue
Right.
healed. You can heal the issue with EFT itself. We
Right.
don't have
Right.
that person. There is one person, Apoorv, in the relationship healing session also. He got a couple of healing sessions done a few years back from me, and I was doing EFT on him. And then while doing EFT, that boy, young boy, अगर आप बोलो 26-27 साल का लड़का, कितने लॉजिकल माइंड में होते हैं, स्पेशली मेल्स, एंड वो करते करते पास्ट लाइफ में चला गया इन द EFT सेशन itself. So
Yeah,
that
it
was one
happened.
session where I did EFT and past life together, and I was not scared because I was doing a lot of PLR sessions that time. तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं थी, लेकिन with EFT also we can heal the past life issues. You really don't have to regress, because to regression we want to see what the issue is. But here, when
Exactly.
you already know the issue, so you can use any
Yeah.
modality to heal that issue. And if you
Right.
want, we can right now also we can tap for that issue, because we don't know what is happening in our lives and how much is coming from the last life. Like last life, we will say that past life is like this life when we were small, this life when we were in the womb, and the life before we were born. So that, I think,
Right.
you're talking about the life before we were born, in the other life.
We
Not
could be carrying our mother's issues or somebody else's also with us.
Yeah, there is so much like
Like you're saying in the womb. Yeah. So the best is to just tap for what you don't know, and it
Exactly.
will just go away.
This is the beauty
This
of
happened to, I'll just share for a moment that this happened with me once also. There was this lady, and she was from a very well-to-do family. She had children and so many people in the house and all the facilities, but she used to feel very, very alone, as though, in the whole house she was alone. And once while tapping, she also just suddenly slipped into a past life where she went back to the times when she saw her British soldier lover die in front of her eyes in a train accident. And then she went back to England and she lived alone in a house, overlooking a street with all facilities, but she never married, never had anyone, and she felt that loneliness. And after tapping, that feeling went away.
That feeling went away. Yeah, so this is what it is. Like, you can use any modality to heal your past life issue, and regression is done only to find out the issue, where the problem is actually.
Right.
In the issue, where the issue is. So whether it is coming from your last life or this life, or your sometimes we हम अपने आप को किसी से जोड़ लेते हैं, जैसे कि my life is like my mother's life. So many people tell me in their healing sessions कि मेरी माँ के साथ भी ऐसे हुआ, my mother and father never got along, और ऐसे ऐसे करके मेरी माँ के साथ भी ये प्रॉब्लम्स आई, और मेरी लाइफ भी ऐसे ही चल रही है, और आई थिंक मेरी लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही होगा. उन्होंने ये मान लिया है और अपने आप को जोड़ लिया है. एंड इट इज लाइक in NLP we use a particular word, Arishi would know. As a psychologist, we call it anchoring. You anchor yourself to a particular person and particular person's fate. I would say fate is a better word here rather than life. You anchor yourself to other person's fate, where now it's maybe your mother or your masi or your bua, and then you anchor to one of your relatives, so you are likely to live their life. This is for sure, because when you anchor, it's like when how we grafting and all is done on plants, तो वो उसकी गुण ले लेता है और उसके साथ वही होता चला जाता है. So this is what it is. But you know, ये तो बातें हो गई technical, whatever is happening and why it is happening. So first of all, when people come, in yesterday's session there was a lady, there was a young girl rather, a psychologist again, who labeled herself as sentient and you know whatnot, a beautiful word she had labeled on herself, and she wanted
Clary,
to
Clary,
clairsentient.
something.
Clairsentient, okay, yeah, clairsentient
Yes.
she was saying, yeah.
Yeah.
एंड वो मानना नहीं चाहती थी कि वो अपने उस इमोशनल फीलिंग से बाहर निकल जाती, बिकॉज शी सेड दिस इज हाउ आई एम. सो with EFT of course we can do a lot of things, लेकिन कई बार हमें वो जब हमारे सामने होता है we have to tell the person कि you know these are not the medals. आपको आर्मी में मेडल्स नहीं मिले हैं, आपको कोई भारत रत्न नहीं मिले कि आपको यहाँ लगा के चल रहे हैं कि आई एम दिस आई एम दिस आई एम दिस. बिकॉज अगर आप अपना गूगल खोल के अपने कहीं सिम्टम्स डालने शुरू हो जाओ तो मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम्स आपको निकल आएंगी, एंड यू नो आप यहाँ तक पहुंच जाओगे कि आपको ये जो हेडेक है, यहाँ पर आपके सर में ट्यूमर है और पक्का भी स्कैन में निकलने वाला है. सो दिस हैपेंस विद, एंड दैट इज देयर इज अ नेम टू दिस डिजीज आल्सो. आई डोंट गो इनटू दोस टेक्निकलिटीज राइट नाउ, बट व्हाट द थिंग इज कि अगर आपने अपने आप को कोई लेबल लगा लिया है, आई एम दिस, यू नो मैं तो ऐसी ही हूँ, you are not a stone, come on, be flexible, you are a human being. ठीक है, you can always move, you are already changing all the time, our blood is changing, our cells are rejuvenating, everything is changing, सब कुछ बदल रहा है. So why not these thoughts? Why do you hold on to those crappy, dirty, smelly thoughts? जब किचन में से रोज डस्टबिन बाहर निकाल के फेंकते हैं और एक दिन कूड़े वाला नहीं आता तो आफत हो जाती है. Then why this crap in the head? Why do we want to hold on to this crap? Right? So this is हर बात के लिए टैपिंग करनी है. ये सब इतनी जो मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड्स और जो ऐसी वैसी चीजें बोलती हूँ उसका मतलब होता है जस्ट टू शेक यू सो दैट you know do the tapping. And let's as this issue came up of this last life, maybe this feeling of lack, even if we have it or not, let's do it, because this is a very common issue.
And
so let's tap for it. Yeah,
if I may just say one more thing, please.
yeah, please.
Another thing just came up because you were just like she had also said about guilt, that first we eat and then we feel guilty. So guilt just prompted it just now. Something came to me that sometimes, you know, we hold ourselves guilty for something we may have done, or other people may have held us guilty for something we didn't do. And this is, eating this way is a way of punishing ourselves. So it's a subconscious way of, you know, putting punishment. See, you silly woman, you the silly girl, you did this and that. Ab kha, stuff your mouth. You know, I mean, you deserve this. It's that kind of thing. Kha ke mar ja, chahe tere gale mein atak jaye, you know, like that. So sometimes it's and as you said in the previous session also, the subconscious is a much larger part of us than our conscious mind is. So consciously we would not be doing this, you know, and but then something from the subconscious may suddenly keep prompting us. So again, I think EFT tapping will be able to help in this. If a thing like that, if just the word guilt has also come up, so we can tap for that and, you know, see if something is behind that.
Yeah, so I've written this guilt thing. We are going to work on the guilt thing. And जो guilt वाला है, because after eating जो guilt है, and again if you've you know come with your jalebis, and it's not like you will not eat your jalebis for life. It's like you will have a piece, you will have a bite, but not have the urge to eat the whole of it. You know, all the 5 pieces that you have at that time, and you will feel very full and satisfied with it. When I worked on my chocolate addiction, and Arushi knows, you know, उस समय पे वो सिल्क आती थी 100 रुपए वाली, इतनी बड़ी सिल्क आती थी, और I used to eat the whole of it in one go. तब तक खाती थी मैं जब तक मुझे लगे कि अब मैं इसको, मतलब वॉमिट की फीलिंग हो गई है, तब तक मैं उसको खाती थी. And when I tapped for it, and when I kept a piece of chocolate in my mouth, I felt as if it was a, you know, piece of mud or something, and there was some funny smell that I felt. और उसके बाद से मेरी चॉकलेट की वो क्रेविंग चली गई, जो इतनी ज्यादा गंदे वाली जिसे कहते हैं. Today I can have a chocolate again, इतनी सी बाइट, इतना सा पीस, एंड देन कभी हो गया तो 2 पीस खा लिए, बट नॉट लाइक अब मुझे अभी चाहिए, ला के दो, और नहीं तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. दैट थिंग इज टोटली एंड completely gone.
It's a matter then of coming to a point where you are in control and not the food.
Yes,
But when we eat thoughtlessly and out of an addiction, the food controls us.
yes.
But like this, when we come into control, I choose what I eat, I choose how much and when I want to eat.
And there
That
is
is what we want to come to.
so much of feeling of disempowerment, and so much confidence goes so low, and the self-esteem
Yes.
goes so low, because there you feel that you have given into something which you know did not mean to,
Right.
which was not good for you. So you did that, and now ab aap kamzor ho gaye, ab aap bechare ho gaye, and then there is a guilt. So you have to tap for everything that is coming up, like, you know. So there's
Right.
so much to tap for. We talk about just food, we just talk about one addiction, but एक यहाँ से सिरा पकड़ लो, नीचे से मक्खियों का छत्ता निकलता है. Under each issue there's a lot to be done, जिसकी की कोई लिमिट नहीं है, but then we have to tap for each and every issue, and we don't want to confuse Karandeep and you know.
Yes, ma'am, yesterday I wanted to share, yesterday when you said na ki something on the skin comes up, you know, when you are you are angry with somebody. So ma'am, I told you I got like 3 patches over my skin, right? So and then ma'am, that was the time when I was just feeling, okay, this is my skin, this is the way I feel, and this is the way, you know, I am. So if you like me with these patches also, you can like me. If you don't like me, then don't like me. You know, my appearance is not what to be liked for. And ma'am, one of the astrologers, you know, he came to our house, and then he told in front of my mother-in-law, ma'am, you know na, because Rajat ke upar the case is going on. So he said ki your chart is not supporting him, and you know, the bad eyes were on me ki acha haan, you know, her horoscope is
Because of
also
the
not
wife.
supporting.
Again,
Yeah,
you
and
blame
then
on the wife, because
yeah,
the
and then
husband
he
was
said,
rash driving, so blame on the wife, because your chart is not good, so that's why your husband was driving
My
rash.
God.
and then ma'am, he said ke after in 2023 you will have the skin issues, and then you tell me and this and that. Then I said ki okay, if the God is there and if God wants to do something, it will happen. You are not a God to tell me कि तू मेरे पास आना तो वो ठीक हो जाएगा. So you know, I was filled up with so much of anger, and by all these things it started showing me on my skin. So but then slowly and slowly I remembered your words when I used to come for tarot कि मैम ने मुझे कैसे बोला था कि यहाँ से निकलो, यहाँ से बाहर निकलो, and everything got back to fine.
बाहर निकलो
Wonderful.
मैंने माइंड से, उस माइंडसेट से.
Right,
Yeah.
right,
Yeah.
right. Very good.
So
So, ma'am, I always
Very good.
remember you. Whenever something is happening with me, I always remember those days when I come to you. You know, when I used to come to you to learn tarot. So I just keep on reminding me myself, कि yes, Poonam ma'am ने ये बोला था, we need to move out from here.
there was a lot of sharing other than tarot during that class. So Mansi, Arushi, you resonate anywhere with Karan, where she has some kind of eruptions when she's angry, and she has some kind of boils and things on her skin. When you want to tell people like, stay away from me, I'm like that, I'm not beautiful, you know, you want to keep people at an arm's length, and you show all those things on your face.
Right.
Do you resonate, any of you? And just asking, I'm
Do
not
not.
saying you have to say yes or no.
It's not eruptions on the face or anything, but when I'm angry, I do like eating a lot of crunchy food.
Okay.
So there is that.
So you want
And,
to bite
and especially, you know, like, you know, you feel like you're out of control. So, you know, there's a lack of control where you can't control a situation or anything that's going on. And then you end up actually losing control of how much you're eating as well. And it's a bit of a paradox, because to treat some lack of control, you're doing something which is actually spiraling it even worse. So yeah, with anger, that is the main association that I end up having.
Okay, so let's tap a bit. Even though I क्या बोले? I feel like I can what do you want to say? Lack of control.
Even though at times I feel a lack of. control.
Yeah, even though at times
Even though at times I feel a lack of control,
I feel a lack of control, I choose to take charge of my life. Okay,
I choose to take charge of
charge
my
of
life.
my life. Even though I
Even though
feel a
at
lack of control at
I feel a
times,
lack of
I
control
choose
at
to
times,
take charge of my life.
charge of
Even
my
though
life.
I feel a lack of control at
Even though
times, I choose to take charge of my life.
I
Now we
choose to
just
take
tap and say, take charge. I choose to take charge of my life.
choose to take charge of
Now we are move to the choice. Choose
I
to
choose
take
to
charge of my life.
charge of
I choose to take charge
I
of my life.
take charge of my life. I choose to take charge of
I choose. If connection breaks, you can come back again. I choose to take charge of my life. I choose to take charge of my life. I choose to take charge of my life. I choose to eat mindfully. I choose to eat mindfully. I choose to eat mindfully.
I choose to eat mindfully.
I choose to eat mindfully. I choose to eat mindfully. I choose to eat mindfully. Collarbone. I choose to eat mindfully. I choose to eat mindfully. I choose to eat mindfully. I choose to. Okay, we take a deep breath here. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. अगर आप यहाँ से आके यहीं पे डीप ब्रेथ लेते हो तो कहीं पे एक रिवर्सल होता है कभी कभी कभी, तो वो ठीक हो जाता है. तो व्हेन वी डू इट हियर एंड ऑल्सो डीप ब्रेथ को लेने का एक तरीका होता है, ऐसे भी लेते हैं, इससे भी फर्क पड़ता है. You know, you have to break a tension. Whatever is happening, immediately you have to do. Even though right now we don't know, we are not even aware whether we are having these issues or not, like taking charge of our lives and eating mindfully or not eating mindfully. But those issues are already engraved in our system. So when we are tapping, so we are feeling relieved and better. Aren't you? You are
Yes.
feeling relieved and better?
Much better,
Yes.
much better.
So am I, because these issues are there anyway, whether right now we
Yes.
remember them or not. Okay, so if the connection breaks, you have to come back because we have to wind up. Okay, though we have already हमारा समय हो गया, but we have to wind up. जो भी हम एक tapping और करना है for the past life issue, and it will take only a few minutes. So